Hey guys, welcome to Tech Notebook, and in this video we will be creating the homepage for our Django URL shortener website. So let's get started. Okay, so in the last video what we did was we created a model and we configured the admin page and we were able to create an object using that model. So now in this tutorial what you will need to do is to create a new file and call it base.html inside the templates folder. And you will need to paste all this code inside base.html. I will have a GitHub link in the description where you can get this. Keep in mind that this is not an HTML tutorial, and if you don't know HTML, I would recommend that you look up a tutorial on YouTube because there are a lot on there. So once you've pasted this in, you will need to go into your home.html, delete everything that we had in that file before, Okay, so if you look at this HTML file right here, there are a few elements that you probably haven't seen before. These right here are called Django template tags. They allow you to follow the dry principle, which is do not repeat yourself, and they allow you to change elements on a page dynamically. The first element on this page is an extends block. So what this does is it tells the Django engine that this file is an extension of another file. When we come down further, we see a block called content. This block houses HTML code which will be injected into the block content section of base HTML, and it will be presented to the user. So if we just copy all this and move over into base.html, scroll down, we see that there is a block content right here. So basically what the Django engine will do is it will take out these two block content template tags and it will basically paste in all of this into that section. So let's replace this with block content again. The reason why we have two files is so that we can have elements that are present on all pages of the site live on just one HTML page. So for example, we have a footer right here. So we want this footer to be visible on all of the HTML pages on our site. So if we wanted to do that without Django template tags, we'd have to have the footer on the bottom of every single HTML file, and we'd basically be repeating ourselves. So to remove that, we just use Django template tags to actually inject all the content into the base.html file. So another reason why we are using these Django templates are because we import Bootstrap. If we didn't have Django templates, again, we would need to import Bootstrap on every single HTML page. And this would just add a lot more lines of code into our Django project. So now if we go in and type in python manage.py run server, and we go refresh the page, we can see that this is our home page. So if we go back into home.html, you can see that the only elements in here are these things right here. Everything else, including the nav bar and the footer, are in base.html. So now once we are on our main homepage for our URL shortener website, let's just go click create new URL. And as you can see, it says page not found because we haven't created a URL pattern and we haven't created an HTML file for this. So that is what we're going to be doing in the next tutorial. So if you see this, you've completed this tutorial. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.